I am Urujara and with the platform of English with Uruj, and in this video I'm gonna share the transcript and the audio with some sort of the voice over the topic secret of success. The secret of success is the most popular topic that is discussed all over the world. Number of the people have a question: how can we become successful? How can we become so famous? And how can we get the fame? How can we get the good marks in a life? And how to spend a perfect life in a life? Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna share these words. So if you are the new one as well, you need to write the different words that I'm about to share in this video, as well as make the short notes as well, because I'm your teacher, and not only the physical as well, also on an online platform. So whatever you will learn, you need to make your notes. I will guide you accordingly. Secret of success. The word secret of success is also some sort of the secret. No one likes to share the secret of the success. Lots of the people on the motivational speakers say, I used to be very poor. I was very so destitute and the poor. I used to live in the so miserable and the compelled environment. But they don't like to give the clues and the strategies and the complex idea how they grows up, how to climb up their journey towards the success. The word a secret of success means how do you get the planner to get your work done by the other one at the perfect time and to move towards your goal to get the success in a proper manner. For example, if the student who goes to the school, he completes his task, he has a desire to get the first position in his class. If you are the professional, you normally are in a search to get the promotion as well as some allowances to reach your luxurious life. If you are the businessman, you have a desire to expand your business outside the boundaries and make it to the international level. And if you are the woman, so you have a desire to get money from your husband and to do the shopping and to get the better nourishment to your child and how to be dominant in your life. The word success has a different definition in everyone's dictionary. So you cannot measure the word success in your own manner. According to all summaries that I have been observing from the different aspects, is that the people who normally get the happiness and sense of fulfillment and the sense of joy by doing one thing and after achieving something, it's an actual caliber of getting success. For example, if you are the traveler and the commuter, you need to travel here and there to and fro to do your work, to run your house and to operate your all the operations. You need to be silent. You need to be agile. You need to be aware, but you are supposed to be silent because silence is a thing that whatever you have is the only key that will allocate it towards you. For example, I have just suppose I have something special and I want it to be for my whole time period. So the first priority that I need to be adopted is that I need to be the silent, because whenever you open your lips, whenever you share your secrets, your thoughts, your ideas, your wish and your impulsive behavior with the other, so people adopt it, they think about it, they overthink about it, they also share with the others because the person also have the different social circle and the friends as well. They share your ideas and the other person who is getting the ideas from the second person, so that third person will also overthink about it. He will do some sort of the analysis over it, either if it is good, so I will do it before you. It means the idea what you have or the impulsive behavior, whatever you have a desire to get in your future, the other one is going to copy it. Maybe he has some different and variable and authentic resources to get that thing as at a higher rate as compared to you, so he will get the success, not you. The second reason, there is a chance to be evilized. Of course, when you share your happiness in your thoughts, your good emotions with the other, 99% chances that that work will not happen with you because you have already shared. It means you have shot your arrow. When the arrow came from the bucket, so it will never return back. So never share your thoughts because the other person may evilize it. Even your siblings, even your close friends may also overthink it, and jealousy factor may be driven here as well. So these strategy may work, and the negative energy may also be introduced in this aspect. So try to not share your thoughts and the secrets as well. But I would personally recommend your parents are your first love, and you are supposed to be you are supposed to love your parents at the very first stage, even they are at your first priority as well. So never compare with them with the materialistic world, because they are real, you are realistic world, the parents are the realistic world. So share your behavior with them, your ideas, achievements, and the colorful results, but not with the other, because the world can only guarantee about your parents, not the others. So the secret of success is that as long as you remain silent, you become closer to your goals. And as you start shouting and the louder, so your failures also also start making some of the plan to be louder and to be shouter. That's why the first and the last is that you need to be silent. Okay, if you like my video, just do comment, share, and as well as subscribe my channel, and I'm gonna share my other videos with you with this fluency, with this transcript and the audio as well. तब तक के लिए इजाज़त, टेक केयर, बाय बाय.